If I lost everything today, every single thing, no money in my bank account, no job to go back to, no one to support me, just me, a phone, and an internet connection, what would I actually do? Would I sit and complain? Or would I rebuild my life from zero? But this time, smarter, faster, stronger. Because let's be honest, most people are not broke because of bad luck. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you clicked on this video, you probably want to change something in your life. Maybe your income, maybe your lifestyle, or maybe your future. And I respect that, because most people don't even try. They complain, they scroll, they waste time. But you're here, looking for a solution, and that already puts you ahead. But let me tell you something important. This is not going to be easy. There will be struggle. Step 1. Accept reality. The first thing I would do is accept reality. No excuses, no blaming others, not my family, not the economy, not my past. Because the moment you blame something else, you lose control. And if you have no control, you have no power. So I would sit down and tell myself. Step 2. Remove distractions. Now comes something most people ignore. Distractions. If I'm starting from zero, I cannot afford to waste time. No endless scrolling. No useless entertainment. Because every hour wasted is a step away from success. So I would delete unnecessary apps, limit social media to minimum, and create a simple routine. Work, learn, improve. That's it. Step 3. Build a money skill. Now listen carefully. This is the most important step. I would learn a skill that people are willing to pay for. Not just any skill. A skill that solves real problems, like video editing, copywriting, graphic design, AI content creation. And here's the key. I would not jump between skills. I would pick one and go all in. Step 4. Action over perfection. Now this is where most people fail. They wait. They say, I'll start when I'm ready. But that day never comes. So instead, I would take action immediately. Even if I'm not perfect, I would create a Fiverr account, post my service, and start reaching out to clients. Will I get rejected? Yes. Will people ignore me? Step 5. First income moment. My first goal would be simple. Earn just $10, not $1,000, not $500, just 10. Because that first income. Step 6. Build a system. Now once I start earning, I don't stop there. I build a system, something that works daily, without depending on luck. I would set a schedule. Morning learning, afternoon working, night improving. Every single day. No excuses, because success is not random. It's built through systems. Step 7. Content creation machine. Now comes the long-term game. Content. I would start posting videos on YouTube or TikTok. Step 8. Use AI smartly. Now in 2026, AI is everywhere, and I would use it like a weapon to save time, to increase speed. I would use AI for ideas, scripts, editing, but I would never depend on it completely, because tools don't make you rich. Your thinking does. Step 9. Reinvest everything. Now this is where discipline matters. When money starts coming in, most people upgrade their lifestyle, but I wouldn't. I would reinvest everything into better tools, better knowledge, better opportunities, because growth needs investment. Step 10. Stay consistent. And finally, the hardest part, consistency. There will be days when you feel tired, days when nothing works, days when you want to quit. But I wouldn't stop, because I know something most people don't. If this video made you think, hit the like button, comment start, so you commit to yourself, and subscribe, because I'll guide you, step by step, until you build real income. See you in the next video.